then a very beautiful Wednesday morning, and we don't dey yarn you they come since Monday about abdominal pain. Before I begin talk too much, you sabi me now. My name now Dr. Adora Onyekere, and today, like I talk now, abdominal pain we one day stunt you. Yesterday when we dey yarn, I tell you about some of the things where doctors go ask you and some of the questions they go ask on top the matter to decipher wetin exactly they worry you and how the thing they worry you. Well, how you want take know wetin be the time, when you don't reach, time don't reach, say, okay, this abdominal pain don't pass, be careful, make I waka, go find doctor. First and foremost, if now you or now another person where they experience any of these things where I want yarn so. One of them now, if you dey experience abdominal pain where they last for more than 6 hours, or if they continue to worsen, as in go start small, can they increase. Or if you dey experience pain where they stop you from eating, where you will like to chop food well, you can't experience pain, so if you see food, you go on run. That now another sign, say time don't reach, me go see doctor. Then if you get any pain where vomiting, they follow them. And I not talk say once vomiting or we go make you relieve. No, that now like 3 or 4 times or even more. If you know say they vomit all those ones and you still dey experience pain, I beg waka go see your doctor. Then if you dey experience any pain where they become worse, when they try to move around, if you want move around like that and that pain just they hold you like say you don't want move again, I beg. Then pain where go start all over, go come settle for one place, especially when it dey your right lower abdomen. You got to be careful. Go see your doctor. If you dey sleep for nights and you wake up, in fact, no, not be say you just wake up, the pain wake you up for night as you dey sleep. That's now another sign. Then if, as woman, you dey experience vaginal bleeding or you dey pregnant, that means say you dey comot blood for your vagina. Now what I mean by vaginal bleeding, or you carry belle. Even if you don't even know whether you carry belle or not, you dey experience this pain and you dey see blood, I beg, go see your doctor. Then if you dey experience pain, you can't notice say your body dey hot well. And if peradventure you get thermometer for house, you can't take and measure your temperature, you say the thing don't pass like 33.3 centigrade. That one another red flag. Then on top that one, if you dey experience pain, and as that pain dey, you not feel go piss. If you dey try go, do number 1, that na piss for toilet, or you want do number 2, or even to pass normal gas, to fat or to mess, you dey do all those ones, and you dey experience pain. That one too na another red flag. Any other pain where they different from simple, the kind of stomach ache where you dey experience, that na pain where you dey experience for your belly, where you go know say this one na normal. Then if you just experience one kind of pain where no dey normal, like the one where you dey experience where they come, they go before, I beg, waka go see your doctor. Then any pain where they make you fear. Some people, there's a big beer pain well. And people like that, for them, it feel hard. If you experience pain like that and you sabi bear and well. But you can't experience the kind of pain where you self, you fear. It be like say you won't die. You know now, you know what to do. Run, go meet your doctor. So if you get any of these ones where I don't mention so, and you not feel reach any doctor or run feel reach hospital, I beg, try. If not, to get your neighbors, anybody where they're around you, tell them, say, please, I need to get to the hospital now, come help me. Because the worst pain of your life or any severe pain, this one fits, cause plenty gbege to happen inside your body. And so for some people, they fit even faint or almost faint. So all these kind of things, it dey very good, make you dey sensitive to your body. Pain where they very, very bad, if it affects person, so take enough in move. Or you get pain and you dey vomit blood. Or this vomiting, it dey last more than 6 hours. Please, not try yourself, go meet doctor. If you dey experience pain and on top of that pain, you not fit go toilet, you not fit go do number 2 for up to 3 days or more, please, it dey very important, make you go meet your doctor. Then any pain where you just experience, you feel say, oh, it's supposed to be my chest, but they sure. Or you dey experience them for guys, especially if you dey experience them for down below, your balls, your testicles, I beg, waka, go meet your doctor. Now here I go bar break on top this matter concerning the kind things where you go experience, will go make you go meet your doctor. Tomorrow, I go tell you about how your doctor fit look you, determine wetin dey cause this pain for your body. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. We go see tomorrow.
if you know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.